Morning. Hello, guys. So happy Thursday. It's almost the end of the week here, the trading week at least. So, what's going on with AMD? AMD just dying. Okay, so SPY in the queue again inside the same channel. It's been the past like 2 weeks. So we gotta play the same levels. 454 support on SPY, 456.50 resistance on the Q, 388 support, and 391.50, 391 is the resistance on the Q. My main watches are Microsoft, Apple, AMD, and Tesla. But looks like the market with the PCE data, it's kind of looking bearish, but just intraday because I think as long as SPY keeps holding 454, we're still on a bullish uptrend. So I'm not bearish yet on the market. We might get another red day, who knows? But as long as SPY keeps holding that level, I think the market is still bullish. So let's see how everything's gonna go today. Hopefully I have a better day than yesterday. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, I like that move on Microsoft. I like that Apple is holding above 189, which is my level. Mm, Tesla just dying is under 244. We need to see Tesla holding 243, 244. If not, it's gonna go back down again to the same channel that I was trading for days. And AMD is rejecting 124, which is bearish. That could be the bearish play. But I'm gonna be patient here and wait because SPY and the Q right now are right in the middle of the channel. So I'm gonna wait until either breaks resistance or rejects resistance or goes back down to support and hold. So that's my play there. And Microsoft so far is looking pretty bullish. It's holding very good yesterday's low. And same with Apple. Morning, morning, morning. It is here. For Microsoft, I would like to see it holding this pre-market high. Even though the risk to reward here looks pretty good for both Microsoft and Apple. But I don't like that SPY and the Q are looking weak. Mostly SPY. Oh, thank you for the like, Wei. Thank you. Oh yeah, we had an awesome class yesterday. We have very good two classes so far, crazy. Yeah. So the mentoring program is going very strong. Going pretty good. Oh, and everyone that is asking about it, you have the entire info here. So you go to the link on either this link here, that's the link for the Discord, or you also have the link on the bio on this video, and then you go to Elite Mentoring and you have the entire info here. Everything that you are asking me is here. If you have any like extra question, just go to DM and shoot me a DM here, which is DM means I have somebody asking me what's DM. That's message. You message on Discord. If not, go Elite Mentoring and you have the entire info here. Morning, morning. Mm, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if Jank sign up. I don't think so. And um I don't, the thing is like because I've been doing this for so long, even with a mentoring program, so some people like just need to get their like mindset and their emotions in check before trading. Like trading, you need to have your life in check to be able to have no emotions and really be good at trading. I think he's too emotional. And when you're too emotional, it just gets very difficult. It gets very, very hard. You're dealing with the stress of trading, plus you're dealing with the stress of your day-to-day life. And if I'm doing the mentoring program, that's gonna affect me also at the end. Okay, so AMD was pretty good play to the downside. Like, look how it rejected 124. Now I can see it going back down to 122.50 or 122. But yeah, that setup was very, very clean. But it's too late for that. At least for me. Mm, mm. You kept playing that? 124? The reaction of 124? Nice. That AMD play was so easy. Under 124, it was just to buy puts and that's it. I'm waiting for this 454 level on SPY. 454 and 388.50, 388 are the levels that I'm waiting for SPY and the Q to hit and see where the market's gonna go today. That's funny, Dennis. Yeah, I'll see if I can do that tomorrow. I look for backgrounds for a beach background. Yeah. Mhm. The Miami vibe. Yeah. Mm-mm. Apple under 189. 189 is a big level for Apple. So if Apple loses 189, that's a big deal here. That's gonna be a big deal. The market's definitely gonna die. Yeah, but that 189 level on Apple is a little kind of tough. Let's see. So yeah, if loses 189, the market's done so. Yeah, Tesla under 244, 242, that's weak. Pretty bearish right there. But for me, the move, like, it's too late unless it retest 243, 244, 242.50. Like, if retest around yesterday's high, it could be a good entry. But honestly, I will not like look right now for to play puts unless like if you didn't take it like right when the market opened, unless Apple lose 189 and SPY lose 454. Mm-mm. Yeah, I'm waiting here. I'm waiting a little bit. Remember like how I trade? I don't trade like quick scalps. I like to wait for strong like support and resistance level based on the daily or weekly time frames because I like getting like bigger move. So with my trading, if you guys are following me, you need patience. And sometimes I miss the move or I just don't trade anything. Yeah, I'm on a walking pad, which is like a treadmill. Hmm. When is the Tesla day or the Cybertruck day? Not if it looks like it's gonna break 189. If breaks 189 and with a clear like bearish candle or it breaks and retest 189. But so far Microsoft is holding very good. Here yesterday's low, which is so far is bullish. Oh, it's today? Oh, so I'm not gonna trade Tesla. Ooh, that's awesome. HS. Remember the rules when it comes to getting paid on your PAs. Like remember how much money you need to leave on your PAs as caution. Like that's extremely important. If you don't leave that caution there, that money that the PAs need, the minute you trade and your contracts are down a little bit, you lose your PA. Nice, nice. 800. Well, I think you need to leave like uh 2600 on the 50K account and the 100K static. So go and read the rules there. So on the first like the first on your first payment on the PA, you need to be up 3K to be able to get paid $500. You have the 25, so I think you need to leave like 16,000. Yeah, I'm sorry, 1600. Yeah, so here you have the info regardless that. And yeah, for the 25, you need like your accounts after the payment needs to be at 26,600. So you basically need to leave 1600 as a caution. Yeah, exactly. Mm-hmm. Exactly. Nice, nice. Congrats. Super happy for you. Yay. Yeah, Apple looks pretty weak. Looks pretty heavy. And Microsoft is starting to look bearish also. But SPY is still above 454. If I don't see a SPY breaking 454, I'm not looking to play puts here. You trading micros, right? I think you said you're now trading micros, right? Consistency is key with futures. How many evaluation accounts you blow off? Like how many you got in total and how many PAs also? So Tradeaway is the platform where you trade, but Apex it's the prop firm. So basically you get an account on Apex or any other um any other prop firm, and then you can trade through Tradeovate. And if you have the Tradeovate option, you can trade also through TradingView. 12. That is not bad. And how long you been trading futures? Okay, so this is what I'm looking right now. I'm looking um if Apple can hold 189, Microsoft can hold here this 378, and SPY 454. I'm looking to play the upside, but I need like a little bit confirmation that all three are aligned. I'm saying with QQQ. Trade journals are awesome. I love TradeZilla. TradeZilla, I think everyone should be using TradeZilla. You'll see there how your bad habits, your statistics. I realized with TradeZilla that Fridays were my worst days. That I was mostly giving back my profits on Friday or just being red. So that's why I decided to not trade Fridays. And yeah, overall, what's your risk to reward on all your account and how you manage your profits, if you're giving back profits, if you're getting greedy. Like last week, I had a little like banner on TradeZilla that says that I was being overconfident with my future trade. So I was like, okay, I need to like trade it with less size and get back to basics. And it's like $40 fee monthly. it's no, I don't think it's, what I do is like you go, they have like a tutorial there. So you go to Tradeovate and you download your orders for the day or the week or the month, and then you drag that file to Tradezilla, and that's it. I do it daily because daily I dragged out all my daily trades, and then I plot in like my notes. I put like what was the strategy that I was playing on those trades, so I can have my numbers and statistics for my best setups, or at least the best setups for me, for how I trade. Um, I think my options trading got better after trading futures, because I'm definitely more picky with my options trade. But at the beginning it was very difficult. I'm not gonna lie. At the beginning doing the stream, it was very difficult because I felt a lot of pressure on calling out trades. Right now, not so much. But yeah, the beginning it was a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit difficult. It was very stressful. It's still like very taxing, but I kind of got getting used to it. Like mentally taxing. It doesn't look like it's difficult, but it's very difficult to trade, answer questions, being like mindful that like I have people watching me, like getting but yeah, yeah. But I like it because I trading can be a little bit lonely and boring. It is boring. Like trading should be boring. Very mechanical. You enter here, you exit here, and buy. Okay, let's see. I think I'm gonna try it out here. The Q. I wanna see a little bit better move on the SPY and Microsoft. Let's try the Q here. What? Wait. No, no, no. I got the wrong account. Not this account. Okay, wait. Okay. AMD is bouncing out of that 122 level. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, but if you want to play the upside, play something like Microsoft that is holding, like it's not looking bearish, that it didn't have like a weak move at open. So I like more, if you want to play the upside, I like more Microsoft. In fact, I'm gonna, oh, wait, is my phone. I'll be back in like 1 minute. Yeah. I'm watching Microsoft to play the upside, but it's still, Microsoft is green. Everything is red, but Microsoft, Netflix, CRM, and Snow. Spy is still green, and the Q is red. So I'm gonna give it a shot to um Microsoft here. Oh, let's see. No, I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait. I wanna see better candlesticks here. My stop is this 388. Yeah, AMD, perfect 122 level, full so far. So the key for me here is I want to see Apple holding here. If Apple doesn't hold 189, I'm not looking to play the upside, and I'm gonna get out of this Q trade on futures. If you're not in anything, I will wait a little bit. No, that's a 5 minutes time frame on Microsoft. Okay, that is not good. Um, if Apple cannot hold here, I'm getting out. Okay, got out there. And I think it wicked me out. Okay, so Apple is definitely losing it there. It's looking pretty weak. What do you mean, what's my level? 180, 189 is the level Apple. Okay, so now I need a little bounce here so I can enter the queue to play the downside. Because if Apple really lost 189, it's gonna go to 188 here. So we have, for Apple, that's a big move. No, it's a support on the daily. I didn't put that level today. I had it since yesterday. So if you are on my Discord, you'll have that level. I posted that pre-market. I'm gonna start here adding. I kind of want to enter here to the downside, but I kind of want to see Apple like bouncing here a little bit. The same with the Q, but Microsoft is losing it, so I'm gonna get 3 to the downside on the Q because Microsoft and Apple are looking pretty weak. Morning. I like this rejection here, pretty much break retest of 189. The problem that I have here to the downside is that the SPY is still holding 454. That's something that I don't love. But Microsoft can be also a good play to the downside because it's rejecting this level here, which is around yesterday's low. Oh, still need to lose 377.50. Let's see. Mm-mm. I will say today's a kind of weird day because SPY is holding pretty good, but tech is looking weak, very weak. I never had a problem with Apex, so I don't know what you're talking about, honestly. But if you had any glitch, it's with Apex or Tradeovate, and you can always go to their customer service, and most likely they're gonna give you back your account if it is really something happening on their end. But if you're losing an account with a glitch, it means you're trading with a huge amount, like big size. You cannot trade with one, like you cannot trade with that you can if it goes red, you lose your entire account. I trade with I have 15 PAs, 15 different accounts. So I just move around and I have different groups and it depends how is my P&L on those groups. I change. I change which one I want to trade with. So yesterday I had I think 400, yeah, almost 500, a little under $500 loss on how many accounts? On six, on a group of six accounts. So now I'm trading with another group. So that case is less risky for me to trade them. Also, if I don't love how the market is moving, I go with less accounts, so it's less risky for me to lose my PAs. If I'm feeling like overconfident how the market is moving, I can trade with all my PAs at the same time. So everything depends. So if I get a stop out on this trade, I'm not gonna trade anything else today. Let's see if we're gonna reject here the 90 MA or the VWAP, because that means with yesterday being red and today means that I'm not reading correctly the market. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm red again, and I'm done for the day because I don't like how I'm trading. I like these spy hole, but I don't want to keep trading today. Mm, honestly, I don't think I have a bad reading because the market is overall is bullish. It's just like it's moving weird because yesterday, um, open above resistance and open above previous day high, which is bullish. And then we have Fed speakers, and that's why the market pretty much died yesterday. And then today, it's just like I knew I this trade wasn't the best one because I didn't like how SPY it wasn't losing 454, which is a support, a strong support, and it keeps holding above and it's just chopping around, but it's still holding 454. So the market is not completely bearish with SPY if SPY keeps holding here. So on a choppy sideways day, you're not gonna have like A plus setups, which is how I like to trade. Um, yeah, so it's better like on a choppy day, it's better to just stop trading. And maybe if you want to keep trading, like what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an alert at 456.50, which is my support, my resistance, a little bit before, so I can check it out how it's gonna react there. And another one at 454. And those are the next trades that I'm gonna take. I do like Microsoft here. And seeing this week here on the queue, that's bullish. And same with Apple. Apple, look this daily, how it's still holding 189. Like it doesn't want to lose 189. Microsoft don't want to lose 379. Yeah, 379. And AMD is holding 122. Very good. I'm not on any trade right now. Uh, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna wait a little bit more, but I'm gonna try it with a different uh group of accounts. So on trading view, I don't know. I don't know. But on trading view, you cannot trade in groups. Only on Trade of 8 or Rhythmic or Ninja Trade. Okay, so I move it to another group. Okay, with 9 accounts. And if I trade anything, it's gonna be very, very, very small. SPY, I will wait for a SPY to break. Like it can move higher. Yeah, it looks like it wants to move higher because it's above resistance and it's above like the little intraday resistance and it's above VWAP. Will I enter here SPY? No. It's still in the middle of the range. So you want to see a SPY either at 454 or at 456.50 above that level. So evaluations are one thing and PAs are another thing. You can have with Apex, you can have up to 20 PAs account. With Top Steps, you can have I think 3 that you can trade at the same time. Evaluations, I don't know how many evaluations you can have. Maybe 22? No idea. I think you can have as many evaluation accounts as you want because the thing is like the PAs are the important ones. I'm gonna wait like 20 more minutes to see if Spy is gonna go anywhere, but this, but on inside here, look this range. Like this range is crazy. And if cannot break any level, you're just gonna be inside this thing for maybe hours. And that's how you lose your money, because you're trading with no clear direction, and it's gonna stop you out if you're trying to trade to the upside or downside. The Q looks weaker, but still, Microsoft and Apple, which are the biggest hold on the Q and SPY, are still holding. They're not moving. Yeah, SPY it's under pre-market low, but again, if doesn't break any of these levels here, I don't think anything is worth trading. Even like intraday, it's the SPY is doing nothing. Yeah, it's holding, but it's still rejecting this pre-market. That's pre-market low. It's not pre-market low, but it's a pre-market resistance now. And yeah, so nothing is moving. So there's like, I like Microsoft and I really really like AMD because it's holding 122, but I don't like how SPY and the Q are moving, so I don't see like anything. Like if I put money on anything, it's gonna be very 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 small, because with sideways action you have no clear direction, so anything can happen. Or it can just stay inside this range and do nothing. And today is Thursday, so you don't want a Thursday buying a weekly option that is gonna eat up your premium fast. Let me take you out. This is a trading channel. It's not Tinder. So the evaluation account, this is how it works. You buy a evaluation account, you pass that evaluation account according to certain rules they have, and then when you pass that account, they send you an email with info to how to get your PA, which is very easy. You just pay for the PA, and then they deactivate the evaluation account and they move you to a PA. And then you trade just like you did on the evaluation account, but you gotta like, yeah. And then you make your profits and you apply for payment, and that's it. So evaluation account is only like one way for them to see if you're like a profitable trader. And that's it. And after you pass that, you get your real PA account, which is the one that you want to keep because it's the one you get paid, like you can apply for payments. The evaluation account is yours, just the evaluation. The PAs are just like the evaluation accounts. I think it's different. No, you pay 105 monthly or 106 monthly, or you pay 150 one-time fee. Mm, Okay, so far the market is looking weak, like tech is looking weak, but uh, it's still doing nothing. Yeah, the one-time fee is 150. So I guess the idea was right here. I just needed to wait until it retested the VWAP and get rejected there, and same with Apple. I still like the Apple downside here. But if it's SPY, again, it keeps holding 454. I don't love anything like to the downside. Even though tech looks pretty weak. But yeah. That's good, Donnie. Jay Powell speaking at 11. Well, I'm not trading tomorrow. I'm not trading tomorrow. Yeah, so yeah, guys, I think I'm done for the day. Um, well, I'm done for the week. I don't like this price action here on SPY. Look, Microsoft is still holding, AMD is still holding, Apple is weak, but I don't see like we want to see like more. I want to see more like continuation to the downside. If it's really bearish, even though the daily it looks very bearish on Apple, but I don't like how SPY keeps holding here in the middle of nowhere. So for me today is not like a A+ setup trading day or yeah. So I don't want to keep trading because I can feel if I keep trading I'm gonna keep losing. And that's not the idea. We need to like pay attention to what we're doing and really understand when we're not trading well and just stop trading. So yeah, that's it for me today. I'm still up on the week, but not not how I wanted, but I got such a good month that I'm pretty happy with how I've been trading lately. I have 143K day, so that's the idea, to have big green days, smaller red days. So yeah, thank you guys for the likes. Thank you for being here. See you guys on Monday, hopefully with better trades. Bye.